gentlemen,
Mom.
and all kinds of little ladies and gentlemen, this is Cayden Johnson. Cayden Johnson, what are you doing? Cayden, did you see the clown in the tree? Because I seen the clown in the tree.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, it's up in the tree.
Oh,
What is wrong with you?
why are you talking like that, Mom?
What do you mean, why am I talking like that? What's wrong with my voice, Cayden?
You sound like you're a sissy.
I'm sissy. Well, what are you, pissy?
Your
I'm
mom.
sissy, you're pissy. Pissy sissy. Why is there a clown in the tree?
Where is
Do
it?
you see the clown in the tree? No. Do you see Cayden? Oh, there he is. Hi, Cayden. Cayden, what's wrong with my voice? Well, why do I sound like this?
You sound
I don't want to sound like this. Can you sound like this? We're twinsies. Pissy and sissy.
Mommy,
You're pissy.
Mommy, why are you talking
I'm
like that?
sissy.
Why are you talking like that?
Because I can. What's wrong with you? No. What's wrong with you? See, you're a little brat, aren't you? Say B-R-A-T. Brat, 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 brat. B-R-A-T. Brat, 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 brat. Oh, you're not a brat. You're a cute little duty. What is a duty?
Moo.
What are you doing?
Moo.
Cayden.
Moo.
Where are you, Cayden?
I'm not Cayden. I want your soul.
My soul?
Oh.
Now you're just freaking me out.
Oh.
Plain freaking me out. Why are you scaring me like that? Cayden. Stop scaring me, Cayden.
Cayden.
Cayden, stop scaring me.
I'm not Cayden.
Oh my goodness, what's going on in here?
I'm not Cayden. I'm not Cayden.
What are you?
You can't get out because I jammed it. Oh.
Cayden. Cayden.
Ooh. Did you hear that noise?
Where was it? What was it? What was that noise? Cayden, where did that come from? Was that you?
No. Moo.
What the heck is going on?